Welcome to our channel. Learn how to make a delicious Quesillo in simple steps. Ingredients: 1 can of condensed milk, 395 milliliters of drinking water, half a cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Step 1. Blend all the ingredients except the sugar. Step 2. Cook the sugar in a Quesillo until it caramelizes. Step 3. Spread the caramel on the sides of the Quesillo. Step 4. Pour the mixture into the Quesillo. Step 5. Cook in a water bath for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 6. Let it cool and refrigerate before serving. Step 7. Carefully unmold and enjoy. Subscribe and leave your comment on our channel.